Jeff the Jackrabbit Sr. in the Moran truck behind my brother, who can't just wait to get on the freeway. The first honk by Jeff the Jackrabbit Sr. is at the Toyota Prius for keeping the intersection clear, like he needs to be doing.
What?
Now this is clearly road rage by the Moran Trucker, Jeff the Jackrabbit Sr.
Fucking Impatient.
This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe, share, and be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.